Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. We are here with you with the tutorial on funding your account in the Binarium broker using Skrill, just like you saw in the previous videos. We have funded our account with 20 and Bitcoin, and now we will use Skrill. Click deposit, choose Skrill from the methods. On this page, select the deposit amount. To do this, we click on the deposit option, and from the displayed methods, you click on Skrill. On this page, you select the amount you want to deposit, and as you can see, as a precondition, a bonus of 20% will be added to our deposit amount. If you have a promo code, you can enter it in this section by clicking on this option. And if you don't want to receive a bonus, you can activate this option and you won't receive a bonus. After this step, you click on the pay option. On the next page, as you can see, the destination phone number is displayed for you. And if you don't want to receive a bonus, by activating this option, you won't receive one. After this step, you click on the pay option. On the next page, as you can see, the destination phone number is displayed for you, which you will need. Log into your Skrill account through the mobile app or the website. You select the transfer option and choose transfer from Skrill to Skrill, and after entering this phone number, you select the desired amount and currency, then click on the continue option. We enter the Skrill website. After entering your email and password, we log into our Skrill account. We select the transfer option and choose the first option, Skrill to Skrill. In this section, we enter the phone number that was displayed to us on the Binarium website, and you click on the continue option. From the available currencies, you select the currency you want, and you enter the exact amount that was displayed to you on the website. After entering the amount and currency, you click on the continue option. The final payment amount will be displayed to you, and you click on the continue option. On the next page, after entering your Skrill account PIN code, you click on the confirm option. Well, as you can see, the payment operation was completed successfully. After completing the deposit, we return to the previous page, and the payment was successful. Back at the Binarium broker, the amount is credited to the account. To view transaction details, you can see that the desired amount has been credited to the account. You can also see the details of this transaction. From the user menu, go to Buy Payment History and check the details of your transaction. In the next video, we'll be with you to teach you how to withdraw through Skrill. Goodbye.